Alright people, what is up? I'm headed up to get a rather large rattlesnake. It is out on the front sidewalk. This should be pretty exciting.
He's eating right now. But you need to take him.
I'll take him as soon as he's done eating.
Oh, you really wait?
Yeah.
Why?
Well, I mean, why not? There we go.
We just have to head to the now he's halfway.
It has been a minute. I was out of town for a while and then I came back, and then I was out of town for a while again. Came back to town, took a shower, and then back out doing more research stuff with Jeff. And I haven't run a call in like a month, so I'm excited about this. I don't even know what it is, but it's in Cave Creek. I'm going there now. It is now October and the nights are getting kind of chilly-ish, like not hot as hell, but pretty reasonable. But for snakes, that is the signal to figure out what they're gonna do for the winter. And that means that they're moving around a lot with basically that in mind. They're also mating, they're getting last meals in, they're doing whatever they gotta do, but basically they know that at any point it can be suddenly winter and they gotta be ready for that. Hello, how you doing? Where's he at? Why am I bad at this? Oh, there he is. Bring it out here and you can take it.
How many do you catch in a week?
Our team maybe gets 30 or 40 or more, depending. All right, look at this weird place. This is like somebody was like, "Hey, let's make a rattler den." Thank you, whoever made this concrete structure in the middle of nowhere. Hello, wanna come out? You know, when I was there with the homeowner, they were noting about how calm this snake was. I think he was just like saving it up. All right, you can do it yourself, I don't care. It's not seeming to want to hook out, so just gotta be a little bit careful. You also want to hide in the bucket a lot of times. That is a pretty diamondback, look at that. Big male, big long tail on him. What a place to live. That is cool. Well, how about it? You gonna finish?
That's what she said.
There we go.
He looks like he's smiling.
He's probably pretty happy at this. It might be the first meal he's had in a while.
How did you know he was out here? Somebody reported?
Yes, they call us.
They call you.
That's perfect. Good idea. Yay, all right.
Barely fit in there. All right, people, so I'm out here in the desert. As you can see, we're set to release this big honker of a rattlesnake. Just watched him eat a rabbit. We're able to get him into the bucket without any problems as far as stressing him out and causing him to regurgitate. So we're gonna maintain that theme here. We're gonna go ahead and get this guy out of the bucket. Without further ado, look how big that snake is. Holy cow. Absolute honker. We're gonna be nice and gentle with this guy to have the least stressful removal here that we can. He's gonna get out of the bucket on his own here. I'm gonna help him towards the hole. He's a tired lad here. Fat and happy, but tired. I'm gonna hike back to the car and go to another address here in North Phoenix.
Hey
everyone, headed to a call in the Phoenix Mountain area. A lady just called. She just noticed in her backyard, she has a closet that's on the back patio, and I guess a rattlesnake. She can see the scales just kind of poking out from under the door there, and she sent me a picture, and it is a speckled rattlesnake, so I'm super pumped. Hello.
Hi.
How's it
We're
going?
gonna let you go around the side.
Okay.
She's gonna show you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's right on the left corner.
Okay. This goes in. Speck. Hey, buddy. Hi, little speck. Specky specks. Just the little one. Okay. Hi, little specky. You want to come out? He won't come out.
Wow. Oh wow.
See how pretty it is?
Oh wow.
Like pinkish.
Oh my goodness, Dylan. It has a long tongue coming out. Curious.
Smelling.
Oh, it's rattling. Oh man. I'm glad you came because she has a friend who said, "I'll just kill it." No.
Oh,
No.
yeah, we don't need
Yeah.
that.
No.
Thank you guys for calling us. I'm gonna walk around your yard just to make sure no one else is hanging. Are you excited? Hey, maybe we'll see another one. It's alright, I won't let it get you. Alright, got this beautiful speckled rattlesnake here. Beautiful. Little bud. Nice little. Down in there. Alright, little buddy. You have a good night, okay? Oh, you're gorgeous. She's stuck. Alright, well that was a fun call. That snake was awesome. The speckled rattlesnake, a very pretty snake. I guess it's been using that closet for a few days now, so they decided it needed to go. But what was even more cool was the family actually came with me to the trailhead that's right by their house and hiked the snake in with me. We all hiked down the trail, and then I went off the trail to release the snake. But they all came with me. Just a great night. A really great night.
Hey everyone, I have been sitting in a parking lot, being on the night shift for a while now. I've got a nice education on YouTube about various things, and I finally got a call in Mesa. So I'm headed out there now. It looks like there's a rattlesnake that's by a gate. Hello.
Hi there. Right there in the corner.
Oh, yep, I see it.
Our little friend.
Your little friend, yeah. That is a Western Diamondback.
He seems like a small one.
It's kind of average size. Yeah, for Arizona, that's pretty average. It's on the small side of average, but okay. Do you want to come see it in the bucket? Come on over.
Pretty.
Yeah. Beauty is in the eyes of the beholder, right?
No, he's pretty not getting into our yard.
Yeah. Well, I can look around the yard too, make sure there's no other friends too, if you want. Okay. This is going to be an extremely fast release, but there is good cover right here. The line is freaking crazy right now, and I think I got to head to Phoenix now. So how about you go hang out and don't get into yards anymore, and I'm going to go get another rattlesnake.
Hey everyone, headed to Calling Cave Creek. A gentleman just called. He has 2 rattlesnakes in his backyard, so I believe they're probably mating or maybe about to mate. Let's go get these rattlesnakes.
There you go. Welcome.
How you doing?
Good. So they're right in here.
Nice. Oh,
2 of them.
yeah, they're mating.
So they're mating.
They're mating, yep.
And then from the time they mate and have babies,
Yep.
what is it? So they'll separate.
Yeah, so they already had babies about a month ago, or 2 months, when monsoon happened.
Okay.
So this is just happening for next year.
They're mating like we thought.
I'll try to get them both in one scoop. Try not to interrupt them. We'll see.
Interrupt them.
They can stay locked up for hours.
Oh, are they?
They're like actively mating right now.
Actively mating.
Where are their heads at? They're like tucked behind this ladder, I think. Color difference is crazy.
Look at their tails
color
connected,
differences
Rach.
are significant.
Now, which is the paler and a darker typically female?
Oh, the color doesn't really
Doesn't matter.
associate. It's the tail length.
Yeah.
The one, the darker one is the female,
Yeah.
and the lighter one is the male. Alright, snakies.
Look how cool, man. Sorry, guys.
Good, they're still locked up. That's good.
Interrupted your deal.
Good.
They ain't even rattling, nothing.
Alright, see what these two are doing. Aw, heads tucked. They're scared. I'm sorry, little snaky snakes. Let you out. I don't know if they're still locked up or not. Are you guys still locked up? I tried to get a big spot. Yep, I think they are. So, we'll grab them both in the middle. Got you both. Both there. Go separate ways. Don't go separate ways. Don't go separate ways. You're locked up. They're just not unlocking there. He's just going and she's now getting dragged. Oh, he's like dragging her. She's getting dragged backwards into the hole as well. I'm sorry, girl. That's not very nice. That was weird. Alright, backwards you go. I'm sorry. At least they're still mating. That's good news, I guess. Found them a nice, good spot, so they can do what they gotta do and then move on, I guess.
Alright, what do we got? Tiger rattlesnake. That's cool.
That's what I thought, but I'm not the expert, so I didn't want to say.
Wow, that's cool. Alright, well, here we go deep into the desert yet again. In the middle of the night with a cool little surprise. This is a tiger rattlesnake. Look how cool that is. Now, the reason we don't get a lot of these on relocation calls is that they are actually pretty secretive animals. They are often confused with the speckled rattlesnake just because they have somewhat similar patterns to the untrained eye, but the tiny little head in proportion to its body is a dead giveaway of the species. Now, this is a pretty toxic rattlesnake. It doesn't necessarily mean that they are more dangerous because they are encountered far less often and they are pretty secretive. But man alive, I love these rattlesnakes. See you later, buddy. All right, well, another crazy night running calls. It is about 1 o'clock in the morning now, and I am far from home. And so I think I am going to caffeinate and drive home and just hope. Calls are great, but there's a point at night when you're just hoping that nothing else comes in. So anyway, thank you for watching. We will see you on the next one.